In this video, my friend invites me down to paint alongside him and some friends doing a production at an abandoned barn of some sort. I didn't have the colours to match their production, so I ended up painting some things inside, and yeah, here you go. was content that I'd painted, but I wasn't happy with what I had painted. And then after I went outside and saw the production that they had painted, I wasn't particularly happy with what I'd painted inside, because it was definitely pretty substandard, and I knew I could do better. So I decided I needed to return to that barn with a scam and paint something.
Going down. It's going down, 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 down. It's going It's going down.
But basically, more I like them different.
So there we are, that was it for this video. So everything was freestyled. Most of it wasn't very good. I painted that back beginning of January, mid-January. 2 separate visits. I kind of need to go back again and paint something better because yeah, I need to go back and actually paint something better. Proper sketch. I always say it's every video, don't I? The last like 3 or 4 videos that I've done, I've said I need to go back with a sketch and paint something better, but that I think is the I don't know, the natural kind of thoughts that I think most people have that paint pieces. They always think they can do better, and that's why we keep coming back. One of my friends told me that before, like years ago, and he is so true when he says that, because every time I think I can paint something better. So yeah, I hope to go back there soon and paint something better. Unfortunately, I didn't actually film it in this video, but the production that was done by my friends kind of flaked off the wall, because it was like painted in poor conditions. It was damp, cold. Yeah, the paint didn't really adhere to the wall very well, so when we went back the second time when I painted alongside Scam went on top. Yeah, like their production around the other side had all started like flaking off, so yeah, not too good. But anyway, that's a good reason to go back and paint something there, because obviously that's all a bit damaged now. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now. I'm very good at that. Please give this video a thumbs up, because that's really cool. Drop a comment, tell me whether you enjoyed this video, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.